DMH is doing more here to improve the lives of patients in Central Illinois. We bring you the latest initiatives through DMH NewsLink.
DMH NewsLink.
I'm Michaela Hunt, and this is DMH NewsLink. We're fortunate today to talk to Dr. Trachtenberg here at DMH about vein and vascular clinical trials that are going on with patients here. Thank you for being here with us
You're
today.
welcome.
So why is it so important to do these trials in the first place?
Well, I think it's important for our patients. We do clinical trials to learn new information, and we want to be able to offer our patients the latest and best information we have.
Now, some traditional approaches you're looking at, but it also sounds like some new technology at the same time.
Well, one of the areas that we're studying is patients with critical limb ischemia, which are patients which have impaired blood flow to the leg to the point where they could lose their leg. And traditional approaches have been to use bypasses to help treat those patients. And then over the last 20 years, patients are going to be familiar with balloons and stents, and there's been a whole endovascular revolution. We just don't know which is better.
And just because it's more expensive in terms of devices and procedures doesn't always mean that it's better.
Correct. The bypasses that we've been putting in for years can last 5, 10 years, and a lot of these devices may last only 6 months or a year. And so now we're starting to look at durability and cost, and we really want to offer the patients the best option.
So Dr. Trachtenberg, what about the patients that aren't left with many options? They've gone through so many different treatments for this and they're worried about losing a limb. What can they do?
Right. So we actually are in another clinical trial for those patients as well, where we're actually studying stem cells to help treat those patients by injecting stem cells that are taken from peripheral blood and hoping to grow new blood vessels to save legs.
So really looking at some innovative things, but the traditional ways that work as well here at DMH. Thank you. Thank you for your insights.
You're welcome.
And for more information, go to dmhcares.com/news.